Hi, how's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys a very special video because it involves my dad. He likes to grow chiles, peppers, spicy peppers, of course, out in our yard. And what he does is after he cuts them up, he dries them. And in order to dry them, you have to handle them and prepare them a certain way. So what he's doing is two different methods. This one involves duct tape. Yep, you heard it right, duct tape. Your simple duct tape that you can buy at the store will do you. So what you do is you cut all the peppers. You make sure that there's no branches, there's no leaves, and from the tip of it, you put it on the tape itself, just how it looks here. And once you're done doing this, you cover it over to the top and make sure that there's no tips that are fallen. So this is one method of doing it. I will show you guys another method that's more time consuming, and of course the peppers look nicer in the other way because it involves a thread and a needle. And this is the finished look, and this is chile de árbol, very spicy. And what we do is once we dry it, it can be used for sauce, to make salsa. It can be used to just bite into them, or you can of course grab the seeds and put them in your soup or your pozole, whatever you're doing. And this is how it looks. This is the drying process. You want them dry because you don't have time to eat them all, you know, when they're good, when they're fresh. So what you do is you wanna dry them in order to have them last longer. So this is the method of the thread, needle and thread, and you just dry them wherever. And when you're ready to use them, they are ready to go. They won't go bad. Of course, you don't want to hang on to them for too long. So if you have this many, of course, you can always sell them, or you can always give them away. But this is how my dad grows the chiles that he grows from our backyard. And we don't have a big yard, so he grows a lot of them because he has a lot of plants. He loves making salsa. We always have salsa in our fridge because my dad loves making it. So this is the beginning process of the duct tape, and I was just going to show you guys how the duct tape looks, and this is all he needs from it. So it's not even very much. It's not the whole duct tape that's needed. It's just a little bit of it. And of course duct tape is very powerful, and it's very very hard and resistant. So that's why it's a nice method. Like I said, it's more of a laid back method compared to the other one, because the other one is more harder to achieve with the string and the needle, but it does get tiring with this many chiles. And it looks like we're in a business of growing chiles with this many peppers, but no, it's just how my dad, he just loves growing them, and he just loves eating them, and we all love eating spicy food, so we always like to add this to anything. And if you guys have any questions about it, guys, of course, send me a message. You can also follow me on Instagram, Rosie's Reviews Officials, with any questions about gardening or makeup or any toy reviews. Let me know. And this is the thread method. This is the special thread, very thick, and the needle is very thick as well, and it goes through the loop. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I have, showing you guys a little bit of what my dad does. I enjoyed it so far, and I hope you give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, leave me a comment, and check out my other videos, and I will catch you guys later.